In today's video, I'm going to teach you how nest labels for better organization. We're going to walk through how to create nested labels in your email inbox so you can keep everything tidy and easy to find. Nested labels are basically subfolders or categories inside bigger categories, and they're perfect for separating different types of emails without cluttering your main label list. First, start by opening your email inbox in a web browser. Look over to the left-hand side where you see your list of labels, such as inbox, sent, and any custom labels you may already have. Scroll down until you see the section where your labels are listed, and look for a small plus icon next to the word labels, or at the bottom of that list. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This is how you start creating a new label. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new label. Click into the text field and type in the label name you want. Choose something clear and descriptive, so you'll instantly know what belongs there. For example, you might use names like clients, finance, or projects. The key is to pick a label name that you'll recognize later without thinking too hard. Now, right under that name field, you'll see an option that says something like Nest Label Under. This is a setting that turns your new label into a sub-label. Click the checkbox to enable nesting. Once you've done that, another drop-down or list will appear, so you can choose where this label should live. From that list, select the parent label you want this new one to live under. For example, if you already have a main label called Work, you might nest a label called Work Reports under it. Click the parent label name so it's highlighted and selected. This tells your email system to place your new label inside that broader category, instead of keeping it as a separate top-level label. When you're happy with the label name and the parent label you've chosen, look for the Create button at the bottom of the window and click it. Your new nested label is now created. You'll see it appear in the left-hand label list, slightly indented under its parent label, showing that it's part of that group. That's it. You've successfully created a nested label, and you can repeat these same steps to build a clear, organized structure for all your emails.